it's the Reckless Retiree here. How'd you like to have the best 4th of July ever this year? Endless supply of firecrackers to impress your friends and family. And you can do that with my new, brand new, nothing like it bucket of bangs. And not for too much money either. Once you put it together, you have it for the rest of your life for free. Endless, clean, impressive. You can do that with my bucket of bangs. You can do this yourself, and I'll show you how. Yes, even you. Just take a look at my other YouTube videos where I explain it in detail. Happy 4th of July. One other thing I would like to tell you is stick around while you're watching and watch to the very end for a couple of reasons. First of all, you'll realize that what I'm saying is true. It is endless. The only thing that limited this video or this amount of bangs was the length of the 15 minutes of this allowed video. Secondly, I give a special shout out at the end of appreciation, and you might like to hear that. So, watch on. I adjusted the placement of the torch, thinking that the bubbles would take longer to get to the torch and therefore be louder. The feeling this is going to be so powerful it's going to knock the put the torch out. Huh, the bubbles don't seem to be hanging around. Well, maybe now. My dog just came out. She's not going to like this when it goes off. Well, maybe it's better not to do that. Just to do them as soon as they come up. Seems to be the best. So I have it at 15 volts, about a half an amp, really? Let's see if I can get the amps to go up at all. I don't think I can. I think it's contingent on the voltage. Yeah, it's not adjusting. So I'll kick the voltage up a little bit. I think that's pretty good. It's continual, it's fast, rapid fire. It's pretty loud. I have hearing protection on, so I don't want to take it off. I think I'm liking this. So This is the best so far, and it's the best because I have a continual source of voltage of power from a power supply. The batteries tend to diminish over time. This might be somewhat better because I put that plug and check valve, ideally only allowing the gas to come out and not the liquid to go in, the soapy water. So therefore the electrolyte stays at a constant. Yeah, I'm looking at this pretty well. So it'll go a pretty long time with a freshly charged butane torch on low. I have it on low. So I'm liking this a lot. The only problem is, like I say, you have to have an AC outlet or rectifier, I guess you call it, on your battery of your car. It would change. Well, that's kind of redundant, isn't it? I was going to say it would change the DC of the car battery to AC on the power supply and then back to DC. No, it doesn't make sense. It's just like using a battery then. No, yeah, best is using the constant AC power with a power supply so the voltage never changes. I'm going to cut this video, I'm going to let it go to about 14.5 minutes. And then I'm going to shut it off. I don't want to go over the 15-minute mark. And I'm pretty pleased with this. Every once in a while you get a big one, depending on if the bubbles kind of gather together and aren't hit by the flame right away. Seems like it's slowing down though. Maybe it's gathering. I have some more ideas of self-destruction and yeah, I mean, I guess I could, instead of a adjustable voltage and amperage control, I could just have a set power supply that's 16 volts and half an amp. Then it'd be a lot smaller. So, hey, thanks for watching that video to the end. And now I would like to appreciate the two technicians who are providing my radiation treatments for my prostate cancer, Lauren and Amber. You're making a very unpleasant situation very pleasant indeed. And I appreciate your hard work and your wonderful spirits. Thanks.